Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to vectorize artwork for a CNC engraving machine using the Vision Pro software. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Images and I'm going to choose, in this case, horse silhouette, as you can see what I typed in up here in the upper left here. That just pulls up a lot of black and white images of what I'm looking for, and that's what you want. Black and white is the best for a CNC engraving machine. So I'm going to choose one of these horses here. I'm going to choose this one here. Some cases you can save it right out of here. Just right click it and save as. Look for a JPEG, PNG, something like that. I'm going to click this one. Sometimes I can go to another screen, and even better, I can see it here like this. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to save this image as. Okay, I'm going to save it in a temp folder. I'm going to navigate to that temp folder. And here it is. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open that image with Microsoft Paint standard Windows program. All I'm going to do in here is I'm going to save it right back out as a monochrome bitmap, which forces it to a two-color image. I'm going to hit OK. Yes, OK. And there we are. So I close out of here. And here is my new image. I'm going to go to Vision Pro down here. I'm going to set up a 12 by 12 job, then hit OK. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to drag this in like so. Next step is to simply double click the image. It's going to pull up a variety of tools up here in the image editing toolbar. Over here on the right side you'll see one that says vectorization. As you can see over here, I have it selected as complex with detail. I'm going to click this icon right here and it just vectorized the artwork. I'm going to close here, click off the screen somewhere here to deselect the object, grab the horse, drag it over. As you can see, I have a wire frame here of the horse. I can delete my original artwork, move the horse over a little bit. One thing you'll want to do if you have an image that has other vectors inside it, contours, like you can see right here, there's a vector here. If you don't make a path, it will want to fill in that area as well when you go to fill it. So next step here, if it were a solid horse outline and there were no inner contours, you wouldn't have to worry about it. So you want to go to Arrange next and click Make Path up top here. Now we are ready to go to engrave it. If you want to fill it, you want to resize it to what the size you want to fill it. So if we were going to fill this for 2 inches tall, we would go up top here, make it 2 inches tall. Then we go to our fill options over here, choose the type of cutter you want to use. If I'm going to do it on a piece of plastic, maybe in this case I would use a 20 thousandths cutter perhaps. 20 thousandths, 20% overlap. S sweep is the standard for fill. I'm going to hit OK. And there we have it. Now as you can see here, it didn't fill in this area because I chose Make Path a few steps ago. And that's it. That's how simple it is to create a vectorized image in Vision. And as you can see, it created a new vector, new outline here to compensate for the cutter. So in many cases, you don't have to engrave the old black artwork. So you can cut by color and just choose the red. I hope this helps.